Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. Can't believe it's already Wednesday. Short week. Alright, so today we're going to be doing tomato pencils or markers or colors that we're going to be using today. We're going to use 6. We're going to use black, light green, red, dark green, purple, and brown. You're going to have your journal sheets and you're going to have the back side of your journal sheet right here. I already drew it out just to make it go faster, so I'll show you that once we get to that sheet. But let's get started with our tomato plant. Today's date is 5/27/20. We're talking about tomato. The day of our seed, the last time we met was day 31, and that was 7 days ago. So, we're adding 31 plus 7 to my imaginary line. I have 1 plus 7, so I have 1 tomato. Plus, I'm going to buy 7 more tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many tomatoes do I have altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to put 8 in my first column. I don't have my eraser, so gotta use the hand again. Next column, 3 plus nothing, it's all by itself. So if I have 3 tomatoes, 1, 2, 3, and I don't add any more, how many tomatoes are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. I have no more columns, so I erase my imaginary line. And my date is day 38. Tomato is a vegetable. Temperature today is 77 degrees. So today is a lot like past 2 days where some spots are going to get rain, some spots won't, but it won't be as warm today as it was the past 2.5 days, whatever it was. Temperature last class was 61 degrees. So, what day was warmer? Today's 77 degrees or 61 degrees last class? Which one's the bigger number? 77. So, I'm going to put my bigger number, 77, on top. Take away 61. To my imaginary line. 7, take away 1. Can I do that problem? Yes, I can, because the top number is bigger than the bottom number. So my top number, 7 tomatoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to take away, or I'm going to eat one of them. So I'm going to take away 1. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of my kids put something on the board. That's not good. Next column, 7, take away 6. I have 7 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to eat 6 of them. Take away 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you see my board's getting very messy, but we only have 1 tomato left. So, I'm going to erase my imaginary line. And like I said, today is warmer by 16 degrees. Today is going to be on and off cloudy with rain. Depending on when you watch this video, you copy off mine or go off what you see from your window. Might be sunny, might be cloudy, might be rainy. Some spots are going to be different. Alright, let's take a look at our tomato plants. So you see this bright purple stem. You see the veins in a leaf that are purple. There we go, that's a better picture. So the leaves are a light green and a dark green. So let's see if we can measure it with one hand, shall we? We're at 3 1/4. So 3 1/4. So it's 3 1/4. We have 0 flowers. We have 0 tomatoes so far. It is dry. So if it's dry, do we water it? Yes. Every time it's dry, we water it. So I know it's a little. I gotta clean this board. I don't know what my kids did to it, but if you copy off here, go ahead. If you're gonna wait, give me 1 second, and I'll put it on the journal sheet. Alright, so if you need to copy it off the journal sheets, you can pause the video now. If you pause the video, welcome back. We just finished our journal sheets. Now onto our coloring section. So let's go back and look at our plant. So we have a group cluster of leaves up here. We have a leaf here. And we have a leaf here. Those are our 3 main leaves. We have this one that got either damaged outside. Let's see. And that's on the bottom. It's a round leaf. Look at all those hairs on the tomato plant. So if you want to take a picture, or I'm sorry, if you want to pause the video now so you have an idea, or to I can't talk anymore. If you want to pause the video now, so you could keep the image up of how the tomato plant looks, you could do that now. If not, you could sit and color and draw with me. I'm talking about drawing. So that's how I drew the plant. I did it just to save some time. Here's our leaf that's hanging down. I did the veins, and I'm just going to go over the veins with the purple. And this is going to be purple red, the stem. Our dirt is going to be brown and black, and our pot is going to be this beigeish, grayish, black and brown color. Khaki, I guess you could say. I don't know. But we're going to use brown and black for that, or like a light gray. So let's start. I'm going to do my pot first. I'm going to use my black because I'm going to go very lightly to get that gray tone. If you go too hard, it's going to look black, and we don't really want it to look black. We want the pot to look more of a brownish gray with just little speckles of black. This one looks something like this. Now I'm going to go over it with brown. And once again, I'm going to go very lightly. You should have something like this. Now I'm going to do brown with black on top. And now I'm going to push down a little harder. So we don't want the dirt in the pot to blend in as one because it's not the same color. The dirt is darker than the pot. So that's why I'm going to be pressing down harder now. I'm going to have something like this. Alright, so now I'm going to do this purple and red. It's mostly purple with a little hint of red. So I'm going to do purple. I'm actually going to do red first. Red's lighter. I'm going to go lightly. Something like this. And then I'm going to go purple on top. And something like this. Then for my leaves, I'm just going to do light green with dark green on top. So it looks like this. And then I'm going to get my purple now and go over the lines that I made for the veins. Found some of these spots. You should have something like this. Alright, so I finished our journal sheet. I finished our coloring sheet. If you have any other assignments you have to complete, do so now. If you already finished all your assignments and this is the last video for the day, enjoy the rest of the day. One thing, for my class, my division kids, you guys all have your IEP goal worksheets. So once those are completed, you have to send them to me. Either send them, probably the easiest way is through email. So send it to my email. If you need to take a picture or have your parents take a picture of it, they can send it to me on their phone. But easiest way is probably email. Some of you guys already have done that, and you guys did a fantastic job. But I'm still missing work for some of you guys in my division class. All right, so do those sheets. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll help you as best as I can. But those sheets are important. All right. Have a good day. That's not going to stay today, huh?